These Tiger Balms come in 3 different boxes, and when you open up one of these boxes, there is a pouch inside. So a little bit of some excess packaging, I'd say. And then these are pretty easy to open. It's just a tear, and it has a resealable, like a Ziploc situation here, so that's nice because these would dry out otherwise. And then inside are the patches. If you've never used a Tiger Balm before, they do have a very strong smell, and it's a particular smell. It's not bad, it's just a lot. And then it has this peel plastic here, and then you just stick this, oh, really sticky. You stick this whole piece just face down on your skin here. So it's a nice big patch, and it kind of has one of those like hot, icy cold feelings to it, and it just soothes sore muscles, or I use them a lot when I like pinch a nerve somewhere. So I highly recommend these. I think these are really helpful and a good choice.